Once upon a time, seemed like a long time ago, seemed like black people cared. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Peace be upon all of y'all. That's what that means. And I got some serious, very important to talk to y'all about. Most of y'all are not going to hear it all because you want to be entertained by somebody shaking their butt. Or the new thing they got on there now is, they got our people embarrassing themselves with relationships where the man and woman are arguing about, divorce and the house, and man, it's bugging. But I got something very important for y'all. Most of the time I'm on here talking about things that I hope that really matter. You know what I'm saying? I be trying to talk about the prophets and about how they tamper with the Bible. As far as Paul's position in there. How Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu how his name is actually in the Bible. Many times I try to talk about the Qur'an, and try to guide our people to, study a little bit more, And I ask the question, like, what if you knew that out of 1,000 people, only one person really going to paradise? What if you actually knew that? You know what I'm saying? It's sad that that's a fact, but, that's a whole nother discussion. Yeah, from being in chains to runaway slave to, speaking truth to power, losing your loved ones, you know what I'm saying? Only son getting murdered, I'm just here as a witness, man. I'm just a witness. I'm just seeing it all, trying to, record it all and get my people to follow the right way. You can tell everybody about it works, about what they do, how they do it. Like for years, I don't know if y'all been following me. I'm all over social media. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. I'm on all of them. And I've been talking about the same thing for years, the black economic system for our people. And it's sad because the response I've been getting, it seems like they either, then got us cut off at the front, where they just messing with our algorithms, where they just directed to where they wanted to go, and they only allow so many people to visit your sites or view your social media, view what you trying to put out there. I'm never talking about anything foolish. I'm always talking about things that matter, and if you all know what's going on in the world, y'all know, and it's some things going on now that you all don't understand. But anyway, I want to get right to the point. I've been created an economic system, one that's doable, an economic system that works. It's on my website. I got a presentation on my website, a presentation on my LinkedIn page, and anybody can go to that website, that page mine. Y'all can check it out. Y'all can analyze it. Y'all can, talk about it, whatever. But at the same time, I'd appreciate if y'all just went and just looked at it, man. It's like we the only people on the planet don't have an economic system. We don't have nothing. But at the same time, we still run around here buying from everybody. We buying from everybody, and nobody buying from us, not even us. Crazy thing about it, we don't even have nothing to sell. And the economic system that I done created, I don't even care if y'all go out there and try to copy it, or I done put the PDF up there. You can download it. You can download it and probably put it together and do something with it yourself. I don't care as long as somebody benefit from it. The rest assured, it's probably not going to work unless y'all sign on to what I'm doing, because what I'm doing is like open transparency, and everybody can see exactly what's going on, and that's what needs to be done with our race, because we don't trust each other. But I really need y'all to check it out, man. It's like we just being the dupes. We just being some stupid ass Negroes, unaliving ourselves at a rate that's crazy. That's and we don't care. The crazy thing about it is that I've been doing this for like 20, 30 years, and I got some followers and everything like that. But you know how they put these fake followers on here, these white girls that, trying to show their breasts and everything like that, that actually be a friend and everything like that, trying to avoid them all the time. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, they do the same thing with our people, have fake people following you, so to fill up those spaces so people that's really interested in what you have, they're not even trying to follow you. They can't follow you. They either can't follow you because the algorithms are deflecting them somewhere else, or they're not even trying to follow you because they want to follow some booty, they want to follow some tail, they want to follow some wiener, they want to show their breasts, they want to show as much as their legs and all that as they can, man, to distract us from the goal. The first goal we're supposed to have is worshiping our Lord. That's what be number one. That's be top priority, and we off track on that. You know what I'm saying? You got people, our people, every day, we don't even think about them at all, you know what I'm saying? But I give it to my brothers, you know what I'm saying? I thank Allah for making me Muslim because I have to at least 5 times a day. You know what I'm saying? But I do it much more than that. That's why I'm always trying to reach out to you all to try to spread this. But at the same time, I don't know if y'all looking at it, you know what I'm saying? The ones that do, I appreciate the ones that's sharing it, you know what I'm saying? But we need more people to know about this, man, because they trying to lock us out. They trying to put us in a position in the corner where we gonna be one of those one day, God forbid, under the bridge with one of these diseases, in the hospital, on drugs, some kind of statistic, you know what I'm saying? Unalive some kind of way. They got us the first out in front to meet that objective so that we are genocide, are depleted, are gone. And the thing about it is, it's happening, and it's happening to us, and we all somewhere else that we don't even, we not even thinking about it until it happens, But my social media, the artproject.llc, on my website, I create a platform website just for us, you know what I'm saying? It's not no website that's gonna entertain you with no booties or nakedness or anything like that, but it's some brilliant spoken word that's on there that's talking about the same thing I'm talking about now. It's brilliant. I created it. You know what I'm saying? Even if it's not brilliant, it's brilliant to me. Because it's made for us, man. It's made for us. The system that I put in place, the one I'm trying to put out there, is made for us because we're the only ones that don't have an economic system, because it seems like they done created us and shaped and molded us to not even want one. Not even think that we even need one. And it's sad because we the walking dead. We the ones walking around here think that we don't need one, so we walk around here like buffoons, like idiots. They got Puffy out there now, you know what I'm saying? Like a damn idiot. They had OJ out there, and they done made it worse since he done died. Bill Cosby was out there. I can go on and on and on. I can do the same thing about the Trayvon Martins, the Walter Scotts, the Sandra Blands. I can go on and on because we act a fool when it happened for about a week. Not even that no more. Then we go back and we stick our head in the sand again, and we don't even think about it no more until another one happened. And then we do that one for about 4 or 5 days. We should have had our example when they unalived the Indians. It's only about 3 Indians left. As far as indigenous, real ones, you know what I'm saying? So, that claim to be Indians, that claim to be of this land that was taken from, man, and y'all bugging. Man. It's just damn shame. And I'm doing this, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be editing it. I'm trying to do this thing in a way where it'll click some kind of way. It got to click, man. Y'all got to check out my website. You got to check out the website. You got to check out the plan on the website. You got to check out the movement, what it's about, because we ain't got no leaders. None. We hit on everything. And then you got these 2 damn fake politicians vying for the black vote, and we're going to give to one of them, and neither one of them deserve it. Man, we don't need to vote for nobody. The black people, we don't need to vote for nobody. It ain't going to matter. Man. We need to vote on helping ourselves. We need to vote on doing for ourselves. You know what I'm saying? We got people in Congress ain't doing nothing. We got all this stuff happening, man, with pregnancies, and our sister got pregnant. You know what I'm saying? I don't condone abortions, but at the same time, I think everybody should have a right to do what they think is right for themselves. Even if the sister killed that baby, she got to answer to God. That's top priority. But God gave her the choice whether or not she want to kill that baby. It's not for the government to tell her she can't. If she do, she go to prison. That's to feed their system. You know what I'm saying? Man, I love what I think LeBron doing, how he put money back in the community. I think that he's doing. I don't know if that's a media hype. But at the same time, I like Jordan's statistics and performance better than LeBron James, but I hate what Jordan did, putting all that money into prisons and things like that. You see how that goes? I think Jordan a better basketball player. I think LeBron is the better man. And we hit, man. We hit. It's like they got us like we pups on the string, man. I mean, so much talent, getting all our talent and manipulating it, you know what I'm saying, so it fit right in their plan and they benefit from it. It's sad, but then we just skip all over each other. So much power. The brotherhood is just not there, not with the people, not with our people, man. It's pathetic. And then, everything that's going on overseas, they just making fools out of us because we really know what they over there for, the same reason they was over here and what they did over here. Now they trying to combine all of it together. You know what I'm saying? But we got to step out of that zone, man. We got to get into our own zone, you know what I'm saying? Do for self, try to empower ourselves so we can, benefit and survive through all this foolishness. I wrote a couple books, you know what I'm saying? Tried to, put information out there for so many years, trying to just do what I can do, the best I can do. Now I'm just, traveling around, trying to do what I can to try to survive. All because, I don't have no sponsors or nothing, none of that. My own people weren't even supporting me. I don't know, they hadn't heard about me, I guess. But at the same time, if they did, who knows? Maybe we would wake up from this hypnosis. Anyway, peace upon all y'all. Love y'all to death, man. Peace out.